In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Monday.com for task management. We're going to walk through setting up a simple board using a template and then explore different views that help you stay on top of priorities, deadlines, and team workload. Start by opening Monday.com and heading to your main home screen. Once you're there, look for the option to create a new board. On most accounts, this appears as a button near the top of the page. Click that, and instead of starting from scratch, choose the option to Start with Template. Using a template is a great way to get up and running quickly because it comes with columns and views already set up for task management. When the Template Center opens, you'll see a search bar at the top. Click in that search field and start typing the name of the template you want to use, or a keyword like project or task. As you type, Monday.com will filter the available templates. Click on the template that best matches how you want to manage your work, then select Use Template. Monday will create a new board in your workspace based on that layout. Once your board is created, you'll see different views listed along the top. One of them may be something like Asset Cards, which is usually a more visual card-based layout of your items. Click on that to take a quick look, then switch back to Main Table. The Main Table is where you'll do most of your editing. It shows your tasks in rows, with columns for things like priority, status, and due date. On the main table, click into the priority column for a task and choose a label such as High. This lets you quickly see which tasks are most urgent. Next, in the status column, click and change it to something like Working on it, so everyone knows the task is in progress. In the date column, click the existing date, for example, a placeholder like February 18th, and pick the actual due date from the calendar. You can also click directly on a task name, such as Let's Make a Beautiful Banner, to open its detailed view, add descriptions, files, or updates for your team. Now explore the other views along the top of the board. Click on Timeline View to see your tasks laid out over time. This is helpful for spotting overlapping work or tight deadlines. Switch to Kanban to manage tasks as cards you can drag between columns like To Do, Working on it, and Done. Then open Team Workload to see how tasks are distributed across team members, which helps prevent overload. Check Progress Snapshot for a quick overview of how much work is completed versus in progress. Finally, switch back to Main Table whenever you want that detailed spreadsheet-style overview of all your tasks.